Happy Easter. Wishing you were here, and I love you. Having a good holiday. Wishing you were fun. I love you. And on the back it says, love Auntie Joan.
Yay! That's so sweet. You found that in your mailbox today?
Yes.
Oh, isn't that wonderful?
Yes.
What would you like to say back to Auntie Joan?
What would I like to say back to Auntie Joan?
I don't know. What can you tell Auntie Joan what you want to say?
Love you.
Aw, we love that. We love you. Wishing you were here. That's what she was saying. That's cute.
Mom, can I come on the bed?
Yes. Come on up.
But I can't get on the bed.
All right, I'll help you. Just a minute. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.